YouTube. Today we'll be discussing fine coffee and coarse coffee and what the differences are. Fine coffee, as you can see right here, is the coffee is a lot more different on the inside. It's ground much smaller than coarse coffee, where the pieces of coffee or small flakes of coffee, they're ground a lot thicker. So the difference between fine coffee and coarse coffee is fine coffee, it's harder for water to go through it than coarse coffee. We are about to show you right now. So here's coarse coffee and here's fine coffee. And look which one has water go to the bottom first. Yes, the coarse coffee. See, the coarse coffee had the water go through it first because its water flows more freely through it. Meanwhile, the fine coffee forces the water to have to go through every ground, creating a more darker, richer flavor in the coffee, which is what you're looking for. But also, too fine coffee can be a problem too, because then the coffee could be too dark, and you do not want that. Fine coffee and coarse coffee, you want a close by roasted on date. You do not want to expire by date on the coffee, because you want it as fresh as you can get it. So you want roasted on date, I would say between 4 days to 20 days from the date it was roasted to have best quality coffee. So the fine coffee, when you have water go through it, it's a lot harder for water to go through all these small coffee particles. When there are a lot more of the thicker coffee, water has a larger space to flow through, and it goes a lot quicker down. So between fine and coarse coffee, fine coffee, you would likely use it in espresso, because then it also gives it a darker flavor. Coarse coffee, you may use it for lighter coffees or your regular coffee.